If you've been in the Web3 ecosystem for more than a day, then you've probably got a basic understanding of what token gating is. It's a great way to make sure that specific individuals can gain access to either your community, game, or even a closed beta you put together. But the flip side of that coin is that, quite frankly, it can be a huge pain in the ass to put together. I remember the first time that I did this, I was trying to put together an NFT to gain access to a token gated community, and it took me 2 days just to figure it out and actually do it. But now, if you're building with AO, you can token gate a chat, a DAO, a game, and even a closed beta in less than 60 seconds. Here, let me just show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just spin up my AOS process, and I'm going to call it token gating for this tutorial. Excellent. So the next thing I want to do is just go ahead and load up a chat room. So I'll just type in .load-blueprint space chat room. Okay, so my chat room's all set up, and now I need to just go ahead and set up a token. So I'm going to do the same thing, use a blueprint for loading a token. Perfect. So let's head over to the AO cookbook, and I'm actually going to use this snippet of code here to be able to token gate my chat room. So I'm going to type in .edit or .editor. I'm going to paste that in there, and then I'm going to hit .done. Excellent. Now I have a chat room that is connected to a token and is token gated by that token. And that's it. I put together a chat room and then a token assigned to that chat room, and then token gated that chat room with that token. It really is that easy. There's so much that you are now capable of when you're building with AO. So if you want to learn exactly how to do this, then head over to the AO cookbook at cookbook_ao.arweave.dev so you can learn exactly how to do this by going through the begin tutorial. Lastly, if you really want to see some of the big updates that are coming out, make sure you have notifications turned on for the AO X account. And until then, I'll see you next time in the machine.